Namaste. I'm Dr. Sri Nagavani, Head of Department of Physiotherapy, Kamineni Hospitals, LB Nagar. She's Dr. Anupama from the Kamineni Hospitals, LB Nagar. Occasion of 10th International Yoga Day. Today we are playing our role in empowering through Surya Namaskaras, Pranayama and meditation practices. She'll be demonstrating the Surya Namaskaras, Pranayamas and meditation. We'll start with the Surya Namaskara mantra. Om Hiranmayena Patrena Satyasyapi Hitam Mukam Tatvan Pushanna Pavrunu Satya Dharmaya Dristaye. Pranamasan. Om Mitraya Namaha. Inhale. Hasta Uttanasan. Om Ravaye Namaha. Exhale. Pada Hastasan. Om Suryaya Namaha. Inhale. Ashwa Sanchalanasan. Om Bhanave Namaha. Exhale. Dandasan. Om Kakhaya Namaha. Shashankasan, normal breathing. Exhale, Ashtanga Namaskarasan. Om Pushne Namaha. Inhale, Bhujangasan. Om Hiranyagarbhaya Namaha. Exhale, Parvatasan. Om Marichaye Namaha. Shashankasan, normal breathing. Inhale, Ashwa Sanchalanasan. Om Adityaya Namaha. Exhale, Pada Hastasan. Om Savitre Namaha. Inhale, Hasta Uttanasan. Om Arkhaya Namaha. Now, Pranamasan. Om Bhaskaraya Namaha. Regular practice of Surya Namaskara ensures proper and efficient functioning of not only the muscles and joints of the body but also stimulates the internal organs. After any practices of asana, we have to go to resting phase, that is Shavasana. Completely relax your body. Heels facing together. Spread your legs, hands. Hold any tensions. You should not hold any tensions. Have to relax completely. From the toes to the tip of the head. Relax. Relax truly and completely. After the stimulation with the exercises, this resting phase, deep relaxation through Shavasana will bring healing part. It heals the body completely. Relaxation is very important after every stimulation with the exercises. Minimum of 5 minutes. Now, come to the body consciousness and Left hand above the head. Right hand on the abdomen. Right leg bending at the knee joint. Slowly turn to one side. Keep your right hand on the mat. With the help of the hand and the legs, come to the sitting posture. Adapt any asana, Sukhasana, Padmasana or Siddhasana with the hands in the chin mudra. That is touching the tip of the thumb and pointed finger, and the other fingers are free. Close your eyes. Now we are entering into the next phase of yoga, that is pranayama. Pranayama is one of yoga's most ancient arts, probably dating back more than 4,000 years to yoga's very origin. Pranayama is both outwardly quiet and abstract, and inwardly precise and powerful. Preparation to pranayama: to be sitting in comfortable posture, either Sukhasana or Siddhasana, Vajrasana, or sitting on the chair with the spine erect, and chin will be in the neutral position. Hands on the lap or on the thighs, adapting chin mudra. The mudras will vary depending upon the pranayamas. With a smile on the face. Before starting the pranayama, now initial start with the inhalations and exhalations. Inhale, exhale through nose. 3 repetitions of inhalations and exhalations. There are many pranayamas like Kapalbhati, Ujjaini, Bastrika, Anilom Vilom, Sitali, Satkari, Sedanta, etc. Now here we are demonstrating Kapalbhati and Anilom Vilom pranayama, which helps in expelling out the toxins from the body and rejuvenates the skin and important for the functioning of the vital organs. In the relaxed posture, now entering into the Kapalbhati, deeply inhale, now forceful exhalations. Now Kapalbhati, first deeply inhale and forceful exhalations. While exhaling, the stomach has to move inwards. 20 sets. 20 repetitions, and it can be carried for 2 to 3 sets. Slowly relax. Gently feel the vibrations throughout the body. The heartbeat will be normalized. Now we are entering to other pranayama technique, that is Anilom Vilom. Here we are adapting Chin Mudra with the left hand and Nasika Mudra with the right hand, and opening up the little finger and the thumb finger. Thumb finger on the right nostril, little finger on the left nostril. Now open the thumb and inhale through the right nostril and close the thumb and exhale through the left nostril by opening the little finger. Again inhale through the left nostril, close the little finger, open the thumb and exhale through the right nostril. This makes one round. This has to be repeated. Continue for 7 to 9 repetitions and can be carried for 2 to 3 sets. Anilom Vilom Pranayama is very useful for the diabetic people and hypertensive people. It maintains the blood sugar levels and controls the blood pressure. After the 7 to 9 rounds, relax and place the hand on the lap with the Chin Mudra. Relax yourself. Just feel the effect of the Anilom Vilom Pranayama throughout the body and relax. Every day in this way, one can adapt any 1 or 2 pranayamas after the couple of asanas, which will benefit and helps to be free from the diseases. Now we are going to the third important phase of yoga, that is meditation. In the meditation, you can be in one posture. Yogic way, it is like sitting comfortably in Vajrasana, Sukhasana or Padmasana, and the hands through either Chin Mudra on the thighs or closing the 2 palms on the lap. And be gentle, either the eyes open or close. Meditation is focusing on one object or chanting any mantra, or to be gently still. When the thoughts flow, just see the thought, not to hold the thought and let it go. Researchers has proven that minimum of 13 to 15 minutes of meditation will enhance the memory power and mental capacities of individuals, moving into the silent state. This will be improved through practice. Initially, 2 to 3 minutes of practice of meditation will be helpful. Gradually moves to the 10 minutes, 15 minutes and then to the hours. The benefits of health through physical and mental level, through asanas and pranayamas, will be enhanced in the meditation. Slowly moving into the silent state. After a few minutes of the meditation, try to come to the body consciousness and gently adapt Namaskara. Now we will conclude the practices with the Shanti. Inhale. Om Shanti Shanti Shanti. Rub your palms against each other. Make a fist and keep it around the eyes to feel the warmthness around the eyes. Now again rub your palms. Give a nice strokes to the entire body, and where you have any pain, you give a nice strokes, which helps in the heal is the palms. Open your eyes with a smile. Thank you. Namaste.